Good morning, beautiful people. Yeah, we just woke up. Taylor is looking crazy. Ooh! Looking crazy. So yeah, today is Sunday. Come up here. Say good morning. My hair is crazy. So yeah, y'all. Let me turn some blinds on. It's dark in here. Anyway, so today we're not really doing anything special. We're just gonna vlog. And I'm still looking busted and disgusted. But yeah, today is a chill day. We're just gonna cook a good meal and maybe go to the pier so Taylor can burn some energy so when we come back home later on, she's good to go. So right now I'm just finna clean. Well, I'm not finna clean. I'm just finna vacuum. It was already cleaned 2 days ago. So I'm just gonna vacuum. And yeah, cook a meal. Okay? So here's Dad making... He's aggravated, y'all. Here's Dad making Taylor's lunch. What are we having today?
It's gonna be sloth.
It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. How's your lunch? Bing, bing. See, I'm having a peanut butter jelly sandwich with some veggie straws and some apple juice. You want to eat? Dad, do you have a little attitude this morning?
Yes, I've been woken up by Satan's little partner right now, and she's like all over the place and crying for no reason. Please send help.
Is that true, Taylor? Are you giving Dad a hard time this morning? So that's what I'm supposed to do. Handle it.
Tell you what, that'll be the last time I go through having a kid again. That's it.
Stop. 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 So y'all think this girl's an angel. She is not. All this darn screaming. I'm trying to cook. And you just put your lunch all over the floor. Really? You're not going out. We taking a nap. Well, you taking a nap. Taylor, get over here or I'm turning that vacuum on. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on too. You gonna be crying. You gonna be crying.
2,000 years later.
Finally, some alone time, quiet, peace. But I still don't have that perfect peace right now.
What?
The mother is still awake.
I am busy cooking for your black behind. How about that?
I'll never understand women, ever. I'm kind of down to that point. But Tia, she ain't have to say nothing at all.
I've been in this kitchen since 12:30. You over there sounding ungrateful. Right now, I'm mixing some cornbread. And you over here complaining? I've been slaving since 12:30. It's almost 4 o'clock.
Well, next Sunday I cook. I slave in the kitchen.
No, I mean, no.
See what happens when the best cook in the house offers to cook? Nah.
If you was the best cook, then you would have been doing all this.
You've been asking for my expertise the entire time.
Chris, don't lie. Seriously, stop lying. You've been outside. Tell them that you lying, because you is.
Asking for my expertise. I'm just...
Stop lying. It's Sunday. You're lying.
You know what I'm saying? Like, no. It's staying over here with me. I can't help it, man.
Nobody wants to see. Boy, what is you?
I got the juice.
Stop lying. Oh, shit. Looking at this corn.
I'm just magnificent.
Not so much unnecessary stuff right now.
Magnificent.
You put a little sugar in there.
Oh, God.
Y'all put sugar on y'all cornbread. Yeah. Y'all, don't let Chris sit there and lie to y'all. I've been in this kitchen since 12:30 making these turkeys. I made some mac and cheese and this cornbread, this rice. This is the last of it. So, you ain't been doing nothing. So getting on my nerves.
Really? How I've been getting on your nerves and...
Hand me the pan.
I'm paying you.
But y'all, so Taylor is down for her nap, finally. And after this meal is done,
Here's the pan.
we gonna eat a little bit and might still go to this pier if they behave.
If you don't get on my nerves.
We'll see y'all.
Yeah, get the bottom of that pot bowl.
You hush.
Scrape it. Get it.
Look, I'm over here sweating. Look, I'm glistening. Good God. The life of a wife. Y'all, my turkey wings is done. My mac and cheese, my rice, and my greens. These are canned greens, y'all. Don't laugh at me, but these are good. They're Margaret Holmes. They're the best. No, I didn't clean greens today. Okay. Now I'm waiting on my cornbread so we can eat and leave this house. Is it good, Mama? Is it good? Up from her nap. Baby. Hi. Your bow flew off. Look at you look. Oh, you can't see. Sorry, someone's happy to be out of the house.
It's a big world.
You can't get down now. Burn that energy, girl. They want to get on the swing? He knows good for that. shoes off. So nice. Yay! You ain't running out there now.
Oh.
Come on.
How many minutes does it take to get the center of this guy?
Is that bogo? Look like dip.
That's why I used to get it as a kid.
Ooh, get something crazy. We done been to 2 ice cream shops on the pier, and they all are out of cookie dough. That's the only reason why I came out here, was for some darn cookie dough ice cream.
Yeah, come get it.
And I don't want nothing else in substitute. So we finally found replica, right? That's the right word. A replica of cookie dough here at it's called Frosty's. It used to be Dairy Queen, but now it's called Frosty's. So they got the vanilla ice cream with cookie dough chunks in it. Can't see it, but it's in there. So I guess I'm good. I mean, you good? Ice cream before bed. How about that? You better go to bed. You had a good day? You had fun? You had fun? You had fun on the swing? Good. That's what mommy wanted. Yeah. What about you? No, y'all eating about my ice cream.
It's not about you anymore.
But no, anybody thought about ice cream until mom said so. Okay, that's why we're here. All right, you guys, we're gonna finish our little family time. As you see, it's getting dark out, but
Mommy's being the Scrooge.
I don't know why I took my glasses on. I feel like I looked it better. I feel like I looked it better when I'm on. Say good night. Thank you for watching my vlog. Say bye bye. Bye bye.